So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this text outline transition. So let's start with a blank slide. First, right-click the background and select Format Background, and change the color to a somewhat darker color. Now, go to Insert, Text Box, and insert your title. Make sure to pick a bold font and scale it up so it is easily visible. Now, go to Shape Format, Align, and Align Center. Now, select all the text and change the text fill to white. Now, move this text box to the relative top of the slide, then hold down Ctrl, then click and drag down on it to duplicate it. Now, with the second text box selected, right-click, click on Format Shape, go to Text Options, change the text fill to No Fill, and the text outline to Solid Line. Now, hold down Ctrl and drag down on this again to duplicate it a few more times, and duplicate it once to go above the main title. Now, select all text boxes except for the second and third one, and change the outline color back to white. Now, select all of these, and then press Ctrl G to group them. Now, go to Shape Format, Align, Align Center, and Align Middle. Now select this group, then right-click, hover over group, and select Ungroup. Now go ahead and duplicate this slide. Now go back to the first slide, select all the text boxes, go to Shape Format, Align, and Align Top. Right-click the first text box, and click on Send Backwards. Now select the same area again, and this time you would have selected one of the outlines, and drag this slightly to the right and below the title. Now, select both of these slides, go to Transitions, and select Morph. Then, change the duration of the transition to 1 second. Now, let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.